So this is the guy who supposedly killed Whitey. He's from Massachusetts too. He's a rich man now. He'll run any prison he's in. Absolutely ridiculous. Whitey was in a wheelchair. They used a padlock wrapped in a sock and tried to cut his tongue out. So this guy had a thing for rats. But he was a murderer. But I guess that's okay. So he's a dying breed. Is he? He's a man's man. Even after he got flipped on, there was a back channel to try to persuade him to cooperate too. He didn't even blink an eye. He didn't flinch. He just said no. I guess that makes him great. Killing a 90-year-old man in a wheelchair. Real nice.